Natural selection favors those organisms with the greatest reproductive success, which produce the most offspring and pass their genes on to these offspring. Obviously, many factors potentially affect an organism's ability to do this. Some of these involve other living things and are referred to as biotic factors. So an organism must be able to obtain food. Maybe it is a predator which hunts other organisms. Maybe it is a pollinator which interacts with flowers to obtain food. In any case, its interactions with other organisms determine part of its reproductive success. Predators represent a biotic factor. An organism must be able to avoid its predators, perhaps by running faster, flying faster, having camouflage, which allows it to hide better. An organism must be able to overcome potentially disease-causing organisms, or by minimizing the effect of parasites, whether these be parasites on the outside, such as ticks, or a plant which would grow on the outside of a tree, or perhaps parasites inside the organism, such as parasitic worms or one-celled organisms. An organism must be able to outcompete other members of its own species, which are searching for the same food, competing for the same mates, etc. And so reproductive success involves interacting with one's own conspecific individuals. Reproductive success involves one's ability to attract and to successfully mate with another individual. And so thus there is the interaction with the opposite gender in one's own species. All of these are biotic factors which influence an organism's ability to obtain offspring and to pass its genes on to the next generation.